Hello! Today we are going to be discussing some key elements to front desk management in a full-service hotel. The first key element is customer service. As front desk managers, we need to train our staffs to promote excellent customer service, which is going to exceed their expectations. The main role of our front desk clerks are to be our guest ambassadors. They are the first impressions that customers get as they walk through the front door of your facility. They will also be the last impression that customers get as they leave your facility. We want to make sure that we are teaching our front desk clerks the importance of customer service as a main duty in their jobs at the front desk. Some of these responsibilities include making eye contact, smiling, wishing them a good day, seeing if they need anything. We also need to make sure that we are training our front desk staff in empathy. There are times when mistakes happen, customers become upset. We need to teach our staff to listen and show empathy to diffuse the situation and then try to solve it as quickly as possible. Communication. That is another key element to running a successful front desk in a full-service hotel. We wish to promote excellent customer service and ease the workflow. Having a communication log at your front desk is very helpful in making sure that different things get passed from shift to shift, such as a customer asking for service later in the day or letting you know that their toilet wasn't working and making sure that we notate if maintenance has fixed it, so when they come back in the evening and stop at the front desk, the next shift knows and can communicate that to them, and the customers are not left wondering. Communication with other departments is also another key element in running a successful front desk. We need to teach our staff to communicate with other departments different things that go on throughout the day, so that way they can make sure our customers are taken care of. For example, if a customer stops at the front desk, we need to teach our front desk staff to listen to what they need, to write it down, and then to communicate it to another department, such as if a customer stops and asks for towels, and that they will be leaving but would like to make sure the towels are in the room before they come back. The front desk must write down their room number, what they wish, and then contact housekeeping to make sure that those towels are put in the room in a timely manner so they are there when the customers get back. This promotes excellent customer service and the customers are able to trust in the facility. We also need to make sure that we are teaching our front desk staff to communicate with management. Anything that goes on that management should be aware of needs to be recorded and then relayed so that way management can contact either another department or a customer to make sure all customer needs are met. Employee empowerment. To promote the engagement of front desk staff and promote excellent customer service. This is important to maintain morale while promoting customer service. Happy employees make happy customers. You must permit your front desk staff to resolve customer complaints on the spot. It does not do to have a customer wait while the front desk staff look for a manager. Let them be able to compensate the customer. Buy them dinner, a drink in the bar, maybe breakfast. Depends on what the issue is and how far we need to go to compensate it. Let your front desk staff make that choice. Teach them on how to decide what to do for a customer and in what situation. Permit your front desk staff to participate in regulating front desk operations. If they know that they have a say in what goes on, they will be more apt to follow those regulations. And finally, safety and security to promote guest and employee safety. Never ever give out room numbers. Make sure that you train your staff in the proper way of directing customers to and from their rooms. Personal information is also another thing that we never give out. Always make sure to ID and never verify whether or not a customer is in your hotel. Privacy. Respect the privacy of employees and customers alike. Never give out work schedules or personal information. And finally, make sure that we are paying attention to the cameras. seeing if there is a disturbance, and then making sure to contact the right person to go look into that disturbance. These are just a few main elements of running the front desk in a full-service hotel.